Creating beauty is one of the biggest reasons why I love to paint. With that in mind, I've created the Prettiest Studio for lovers of all things beautiful. It's a complete collection of wet and dry media brushes, image stamps, paint stamps, papers, foils, glitters, and practice guides to help you achieve your prettiest paintings yet. And it's available for Procreate, Photoshop, and Affinity. Hi there, I'm Chris Lauren, and I've been painting pretty things professionally for over 2 decades now, and I've used that knowledge and experience to create a comprehensive pack full of delicate design elements, tools, and guides to give you all you'll need at your fingertips to create the gorgeous creations you've always had in mind. You'll fall in love with the wet and dry media brushes that were made using actual paint, pencils, and markers to create digital brushes that look and feel like you're actually using the real thing. Hand-drawn image stamp brushes that will jumpstart your drawing and trigger your imagination, bringing your creative ideas to life quicker than before. Easily create with loads of flowers, butterflies, borders, sparkles, and stars that will give your design an instant step forward. Real media paint stamp brushes made from actual paint that will elevate your paintings easily, bringing realism and painterly quality to the forefront with just a simple tap. Glitter and foil textures to add something special and a bit of sparkle to your design. Pretty papers made from watercolor paper and pressed flowers to add beautiful texture and depth, creating lovely dimension to your projects. And of course, an incredible digital canvas that will simply transform your paintings to look just like the real thing. I've also included color palettes that are all the same colorways that I used to paint all the examples found in the previews, plus 2 bonus palettes. Practice drawing guides to help you learn to draw and paint. All the examples seen in the previews are included as line drawings for you to practice painting with, building your confidence all while having fun. And lastly, a video tutorial where I'll walk you all the way through how to paint this pretty horse, step by step, and you'll create something you're really proud of. Once you dive into this complete artist studio, you'll have every pretty thing you need to create all the beautiful work you've always dreamed of. I hope you enjoy.